Welcome to my vlog. I am Camille Castañeda from BSHM2A. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to weave a nipa palm for hot roofing. But before this, we are going to get the materials in making the craft. Nipa palm is locally called golpata, used for multi-purpose such as roof thatching, partitioning, foods, medical purposes, and as a source of fuel wood. The sugary sap from the inflorescent stalk is used as a source of amorphous sugar, vinegar, and alcohol. Nipa roof shingles are made from nipa proteans or nipa palms, which are not only abundant but also cost-effective in terms of indigenous construction materials. Nipa proteans grow beside the sea. In tidal flats or backcrest swaps, they are often found in the Philippines and in many other parts of the Pacific and Southeast Asia. The leaves of mature nipa protean can grow to as the height of 9 meters. The shingles are made by drying palms and then binding these together in an intricate weaving pattern. For many years, vernacular housing in various parts of the Philippines have used this as roofing materials, not only for its abundant but also for its features. Pull-up window panels and flooring of split bamboo make the nipa livable in all but the most severe weather. Their construction allows them to be disassembled, moved and reassembled quickly and easily. The nipa hut makes a great rustic cabana, while they are still built using bamboo. A 16-foot square nipa hut can be constructed of PVC pipe, plywood flooring, and vertical window blinds for shingles. A nipa hut is a traditional native housing structure indigenous to the Pacific Island. Nipas are typically constructed from machekat bamboo, with the logs inserted through chop cutouts in the corresponding logs. The production of nipa shingles is simple and does not require special skills. The nipa's compound leaves are simple cut from nipa trees. The small long leaflets are then removed from the stem or stalk. These leaves are folded over a bamboo stick of a convenient length and then sewed together with nipa midribs. Nipa is also a good source of affordable housing materials for native houses. These plants offer numerous benefits, whether as source of food or protection. In common use, these materials are often found in nipa huts, resorts, and rural houses in the Philippines. They are totally taken for granted and are often taught as a 4-month roofing. However, purchasing such materials can actually help the cottage industries of the Philippines and provides local livelihood opportunities. It is also easy to replace and entails minimum labor. It lets air through and does not trap heat from inside the building. And since the material is lightweight, it poses little to no danger during earthquakes, unlike much heavier material. However, nipa requires regular annual maintenance. Shingles made from nipa can have a lifespan of around 1 to 3 years if not maintained. It can go much longer with regular maintenance. There's also the issue of fireproofing, with the material easily combustible. One of the important plants and a valued resources all over the Philippines is the nipa, a mangrove palm, which could be used as roofing as well as walling of houses. Nipa huts, locally known as payag or bahay kubo. Nipa palm production is the sustainable way to utilize mangrove forest resources, leading to effective conservation and good life quality. A nipa hut is an icon of Philippine culture as it represents the Filipino value of bayanihan, which refers to a spirit of communal community or effort to achieve an objective. The use of nipa in thatching roofing had been slowly diminishing due to the introduction of the use of G-sheet in modern houses. Amid the introduction of new materials in the construction of houses, many still prefer to use the traditional nipa for their roofing. Also, nipa continues to be integrated into the architecture and design of constructing cottages in resorts and rest houses for its cool room temperature. Different resources abound and nipa is one of nature's gift to us. Endemic plants must be conserved and nurtured for future generations.